Love Will Keep Us Together, Captain and Tennille, Neil Sedaka. There's a great version of Jimmy Scott, the jazz guy, with Flea on bass. Love Will Keep Us Together. So we're going to start out with this G chord. We're just going to do the open, open, and 3, because that 3 right there is like our leading melody. So we got love, love will keep us together. Okay, so that's what we got going. We got, and then we have G7. So we're going to do open, 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 1. We got 1 open, 3, 3, 1, 3 on the second string, and then we go to this chord 3, 2, open, 1. Okay, so we got. And then we're going to do that same chord and go. So we had 1, 1 open on the bottom. 3, 1, 3. E7 here. Open, 1, open, open. And then we're going to come down here, have the 1 on the bottom. 1, open, 3, and then little open. So let's look at all that so far. We got G, the 3rd fret, 2nd string, leading note. And then G7, 1, O, 3, 3, 1, 3, switch chords, 3, 2, 0, 1, same chord, 1, 1 twice, open, 3, 1, 3, E7, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 here. So that's 1 to open on the small string, 3 on the second, 1st string again, open. Now, before I hit this 3 on the 3rd string, I'm going to get ready for my C7 chord. 2, 3, 1, open. So it's going to go. So I've got the 3 ahead of time. Then I have the chord on the new measure. O, 2, O. Now we're going to hit that C7 all at the same time. So we won't have the 3 ahead of time this time. So it's like. And then all together. Then we have a little triplet thing. So this is big 1 up here in the big string, got 3 on the 3rd string, then open 2 on the 3rd string, that's the first triplet. And then we'll do the O, 2, O again. So it's. And then we're going to come down here and get this 3 on the 2nd string. So we have 1, open, and 3 as a chord. And I go to the 1 down here and back to that 3 on the 2nd string. And then you have a 3 to O pull off with 1 more open G there. We're going to hit open, 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 and stop that chord. Okay, so let's look at everything again. We got. Triplets. Stop. And then we got this chord here. So interesting chord here. I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna put my middle finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and we need to get the 4, 4, and 3, but also a 5 up here on top. So we have this is our leading tone. So we get to hit that twice and get ready to make our chord. Once we hit that chord with the 5, 4, 4, 3, so it's 3, 4, 2, O on the G. So it sounds like stop. Okay, so once again it was stop, open, open, open. 3, 4, 2, O. Then we have a 5, 4, 5, 3 chord. 2nd string open twice. Now here we have a 5, 4, 6 open. So we're getting a little jazzy here. And that was open 2nd string to 2 open on the G. Okay, then we're going to get into a 2 open 3. And this is a triplet also. So we have 2 open 3. But that 3 on the 2nd string is going 3, 1, 3. And then we're going to go open, open 1. We have 1, open 1. So it's. Then we have 2, 2, 1, 3 to open 2, 1, 3. Little 3s down here. Opens with a 5, 7s to 3. Let's go back to, like, say we had the stop. have the triplets. Okay, let's go through it all again. So we got open, open 3. And then we got the triplets, 1 and 3. Stop. We got this chord here. Remember 5, 4, 4, 3. But we really want to get that 4 in place first with that middle finger. And then we have this G6 chord, 5, 4, 5, 3. Open, open on the B. And then we got this 5, 4, 6 open. Second string, 2 open on the G. Then we got these triplets, 2, 0, 3. 2, 2, 1, 3. 0, 2, 1, 3. Keep us together, whatever. So the second time through, you can go to this G7 enter. Okay, then we have a little bridge. We're gonna go to a B flat chord, 3, 3, 3. We're gonna go. So we're gonna hold that kind of leading tone, the 3 there in the second string. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go to the 1 on the second string there. And then F. So we had the 3, 2, and 1 from an F, and then 1, 2, and then 2 and open, like from a C. And then the end of that measure has one little open again, so it's like. Now here we have 5 and 3, da-dum. We're gonna hit that 3 twice. 3, 5, 3, 5. And we'll hit a G chord with that 3 on the second string, so it's. Let that ring, back to the B flat, 3, 3, 1, 1, and then F. So that was F, and then 3, second string, 2, third string, 2 and open from a C, so. Then we have. Got that 5 and 3. This is part of like a E flat chord. 3, 5, 3, 5. We'll hit this 3, and then we're going to switch to that 0, 2, 1, 3 chord. I will. So we got little 3, and then pull off 5, 3 on the second. And then you kind of start everything over again. Okay, let's hit that bridge one more time. So we got. Okay, and you can kind of end it with a. All right, love will keep us together. Thanks a lot. Got a tab with this. Talk to you soon.